idea of what the students will be seeking. So thank you for interviewing with the Boeing Company during the Black Engineer of the Year Awards Conference. We were truly impressed with your remarkable experience and skills. To fulfill our vision as a global aerospace industry leader and to continue our legacy of achievement through innovation, it's important to have people like you on our team. When you join the Boeing team, you're building something better for yourself, for our customers, and for the world. You're part of a heritage that mirrors the history of flight and of a present that builds toward a future of further innovation. We are truly excited to have the opportunity to work with you. And with that, I would like to begin introducing our students. First, we have Shaquille Adams. And Joseph Adegboy. Rashid Al-Rashid. Byron Benjamin. Tiffany Fleming. Conwalia Guam. Joshua Harris. William Hewlett. Marquise Johnson. It's getting tight up here, but that's a good thing, right? John Ted Reynolds. Individual titles, they were hired into our engineering intern and engineering full-time entry-level opportunities. And we all give them a hand again.
We're going to take a picture, so I think what we should do, maybe Boeing folks in the back and then our folks in the front, right here.